Hello everyone, welcome to the Adele Crochet channel. In this video, I will make this cute, lightweight, and flexible hat that fits women's sizes. It suits any time and place, and it's super easy for beginners. Let's get started. I am using 100% acrylic plen yarn by the Modern Spinning Company with a 3.5mm crochet hook. To start, make a magic ring and work 12 single crochet stitches into it. Close the round with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Round 2. In the same space, make a puff stitch, then chain 1. Skip to the next loop and make another puff stitch. Repeat this until the end of the round to have a total of 12 puff stitches. Close the round with a slip stitch into the loop before the space, then slip stitch into the space. Round 3. In the space, make a puff stitch, chain 2, then make another puff stitch in the same space, followed by chain 2. Repeat this by making 2 puff stitches in each space with chain 2 in between, then move to the next space. You will have a total of 24 puff stitches. Close the round with a slip stitch into the loop before the space, then slip stitch into the space. In the same space, work a puff stitch, chain 2, and another puff stitch. Then chain 3, skip the next space, and make 2 puff stitches between the puff stitches. Chain 3 and skip the next space. Repeat this pattern, adding 1 chain to each new round, until you reach the required head circumference of 18 centimeters. Once you reach the required head circumference, stop increasing the chains in each round. Stick to the final chain count, which is 6 chains. Make 2 puff stitches inside the space, then chain 6, and make 2 puff stitches between the next puff stitches. Repeat this pattern for 6 more rounds. After completing 7 rounds without increases, you've reached the final round. Work 2 puff stitches between the 2 stitches, then work 6 single crochets around the 6 chains. Move to the space between the next 2 puff stitches, work 2 puff stitches, and repeat this pattern until the end of the round. End the round with a slip stitch into the loop before the space, then cut the yarn and weave in the ends.